Hello, this is Cameron Manchester, and this is my PowerPoint on religion in California. So the main thing that I really wanted to touch on were the Campus Crusades. And a little quote from the video that we were given was that the campus was the key to reaching the world. I think this is super important. College is an incredible time where I fully believe that we develop who we are as people, formulate what it is we want to believe. And so a lot of the things that we're taught here really come together and form who we are as people. So here are just some, I guess, stats on some of the largest colleges in California, starting at the East Los Angeles College, 52,110 students. And down below is just the number of how many colleges there are in California, which is 745, and that's including four-year colleges, community colleges, and trade schools. And so this last slide is a quote from Larry Braskamp and Mark Engberg, which says, "Higher education has always stressed the development of the whole student along several dimensions: intellectual, social, civic, physical, moral, and spiritual." To me, that just wraps up how many different things play into teaching the students different traits, abilities, ideas, morals, and something that really plays into that is the spiritual aspect. So when it came up with that on college campuses is where the spiritual aspect should be taught and religion should be revealed to students, I think that is huge, because us as students are just formulating what we believe, and we're about to go into the world and share with others what we believe. So implementing religion into college campuses will allow us to be able to better understand it and then go out into the world and share the gospel, because that is where it was taught to us how important religion is, and especially from a Christian standpoint, being taught what the Bible is, what's in it, and how important it is, and then being able to go out into the world along with everything else that we've been taught, and as humans being able to share that with alongside other humans. So yeah, that's my opinion on the Campus Crusades and the importance of that, and how important it is also in California, seeing as we have so many college campuses and opportunities to share that with others. Thank you.